The Furologee 60 Black computer is about to change your workspace game forever. Imagine having a dedicated space for all your office gear, where everything has its own place, and you can focus on what matters most, getting work done or enjoying a gaming session. That's exactly what this computer desk offers, with its built-in charging station that provides 5 fast charging outlets and 2 USB ports for all your devices. But it's not just about functionality, it's also about creating an experience. The RGB LED light strip is where things get really exciting. With 20 changeable colors, 22 dynamic modes, and 5 adjustable brightness levels, you can customize the lighting to suit your mood or work style. Want a cozy atmosphere for focused work? Done. Need a high-energy setup for gaming sessions? Easy. And then there's the desk itself with its sturdy build and reversible design. This means you can easily switch between using it on the left or right side, depending on your preference. It's all about adapting to your needs and creating an ergonomic workspace that works for you. But what really sets this computer desk apart is its ability to elevate your workspace to a whole new level. The built-in 60-inch monitor stand allows you to position your screen at the perfect height, reducing strain on your neck and back. Plus, with open shelves for storing printers, scanners, or other office machines, you'll have everything within easy reach. The Furologee 60 Black computer is also designed with durability in mind. The desk's legs are made of heavy-duty steel, ensuring it won't wobble or tip over even when loaded with multiple devices and peripherals. And the finish? A sleek black mat that resists fingerprints and smudges, making it easy to keep your workspace clean and clutter-free. But don't just take our word for it. Let's dive into some real-world benefits. For example, imagine being able to work on a project with multiple collaborators, each with their own device and charger. The built-in charging station and USB ports make it seamless, allowing you to stay focused on the task at hand without interruptions. Or picture this. You're in the middle of a long gaming session, and your phone is dead. But with 5 fast charging outlets, you can keep your devices juiced up and ready for action. No more frantically searching for a power outlet or dealing with drained batteries. The Furologee 60 Black computer also features a spacious workspace, perfect for multitasking. With ample room for your laptop, monitor, and other devices, you'll have all the space you need to get work done or enjoy your favorite games. But here's the best part. This computer desk is designed with style in mind. The RGB LED light strip adds a touch of sophistication to any workspace, while the sleek black finish gives it a premium look that's hard to match. Whether you're working from home or meeting clients, you'll want to show off your stylish workspace. In short, the Furologee 60 Black computer is more than just a desk. It's an experience. It's a haven for productivity, creativity, and relaxation. With its built-in charging station, USB ports, monitor stand, and durable design, you'll be treated to a world of comfort and functionality that will leave you feeling satisfied and productive. Check out the link below to get your hands on this amazing product and start transforming your workspace today.